Welcome once again to your health channel. We sincerely appreciate your support for this channel. Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of discovery into the remarkable world of ginger and garlic. Often found nestled in kitchen cabinets or displayed proudly on countertops, these unassuming ingredients hold within them a myriad of hidden wonders waiting to be explored. Join us as we delve into the depths of their medicinal and culinary prowess, unraveling the secrets behind their enchanting aroma and potent benefits. Ginger and garlic, two botanical powerhouses revered for centuries in traditional medicine, have stood the test of time as natural healers and flavor enhancers. From ancient civilizations to modern households, their influence transcends cultural boundaries, enriching cuisines and nurturing bodies with their abundant gifts. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a voyage of enlightenment as we unveil the 14 hidden wonders of ginger and garlic. Wonder number 1: Immune boosters. Within the fibrous roots of ginger and the pungent cloves of garlic lie potent compounds such as allicin and gingerol. These natural warriors fortify the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells, our body's frontline defenders against invading pathogens. Usage: infuse ginger and garlic into soups, stews, and curries for a hearty immunity-boosting meal. Alternatively, create a soothing ginger and garlic tea by steeping thinly sliced pieces in hot water with a dash of lemon and honey. Wonder number 2: Anti-inflammatory agents. The active ingredients in ginger and garlic possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. By inhibiting inflammatory enzymes, they offer relief from discomfort and promote faster recovery. Usage: incorporate freshly minced garlic into salad dressings or marinades for a flavorful anti-inflammatory punch. Similarly, add grated ginger to smoothies or juices to harness its soothing effects on inflamed tissues. Wonder number 3: Digestive aids. Ginger and garlic are nature's digestive champions, aiding in the breakdown of food and easing gastrointestinal discomfort. Their natural enzymes promote the secretion of digestive juices, enhancing nutrient absorption and soothing upset stomachs. Usage: add crushed garlic to sautéed vegetables or pasta dishes for a savory twist that aids digestion. Alternatively, infuse grated ginger into hot water with a hint of cinnamon and mint for a soothing digestive tonic after meals. Wonder number 4: Cardiovascular health. Both ginger and garlic contribute to a healthy heart by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and improving circulation. Their antioxidant properties protect blood vessels from damage and reduce the risk of heart disease. Usage: create a zesty garlic and ginger marinade for grilled fish or chicken, infusing heart-healthy flavors into your favorite protein dishes. Alternatively, incorporate minced garlic and ginger into homemade salad dressings for a flavorful boost with cardiovascular benefits. Before we continue to wonder number 5, please support this channel. Subscribe and like this video. Thanks for your kind support. Please also check the description section of this video for different dietary supplements for a great healthy life. Wonder number 5: Respiratory relief. When it comes to clearing congestion and soothing respiratory ailments, ginger and garlic are a dynamic duo. Their expectorant properties help loosen mucus, making it easier to expel and providing relief from coughs and colds. Usage: brew a comforting ginger and garlic tea by simmering sliced roots in water with a touch of thyme and honey. Alternatively, incorporate minced garlic and ginger into homemade chicken soup for a nourishing bowl of respiratory relief. Wonder number 6: anti-cancer potential. Emerging research suggests that the bioactive compounds found in ginger and garlic may possess anti-cancer properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain malignancies. Usage: enhance the flavors and nutritional profile of stir-fried vegetables or tofu with a medley of garlic, ginger, and colorful spices like turmeric and cumin. Experiment with incorporating these cancer-fighting ingredients into diverse cuisines for a delicious and health-conscious culinary experience. Wonder number 7: pain management. Ginger and garlic offer natural relief from various types of pain, including headaches, menstrual cramps, and muscle aches. Their anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate discomfort and promote relaxation. Usage: create a warming ginger and garlic paste by blending fresh roots with a splash of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Massage this soothing mixture onto sore muscles or temples for targeted pain relief, or incorporate it into homemade lotions and balms for a therapeutic touch. Wonder number 8: weight management. Ginger and garlic can support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and regulating blood sugar levels. Their thermogenic properties increase calorie expenditure, making them valuable allies in the quest for a healthy weight. Usage: whip up a spicy ginger and garlic stir-fry with lean protein and plenty of colorful vegetables for a satisfying meal that promotes satiety. Alternatively, blend ginger and garlic into refreshing smoothies with leafy greens and citrus fruits for a metabolism-boosting beverage to enjoy any time of day. Wonder number 9: skincare. The antioxidant-rich compounds in ginger and garlic can promote radiant skin by combating free radicals and reducing inflammation. Whether applied topically or consumed internally, they nourish from within and enhance complexion. Usage: create a rejuvenating ginger and garlic face mask by blending fresh roots with soothing ingredients like yogurt and honey. Apply this revitalizing mixture to clean skin and leave on for 15–20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water for a radiant glow. Wonder number 10: stress reduction. The aromatic essence of ginger and garlic has a calming effect on the mind, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Their invigorating scent uplifts the spirits and promotes a sense of relaxation and well-being. Usage: incorporate ginger and garlic into aromatic stir-fries and soups for a comforting meal that soothes the soul and nourishes the body. Alternatively, diffuse essential oils extracted from ginger and garlic for a fragrant atmosphere that promotes tranquility and mindfulness. Wonder number 11: anti-aging benefits. Ginger and garlic are rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and protect against premature aging. By neutralizing free radicals, they help maintain youthful vitality and promote radiant skin from within. Usage: Add grated ginger and minced garlic to homemade skincare formulations like serums and creams for an anti-aging boost that targets fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporate these potent ingredients into your daily beauty routine for a natural approach to youthful skincare. Wonder number 12. Improved cognitive function. The bioactive compounds in ginger and garlic may support brain health by protecting against age-related cognitive decline and enhancing memory and concentration. Their neuroprotective effects promote mental clarity and sharpness. Usage: brew a stimulating ginger and garlic tea infused with aromatic herbs like rosemary and ginkgo biloba for enhanced cognitive function. Sip this invigorating beverage while studying or working to boost focus and productivity naturally. Wonder number 13. Oral health. Ginger and garlic possess antibacterial properties that can help fight oral infections and improve gum health. Chewing on raw ginger or garlic can freshen breath and promote overall oral hygiene. Garlic has a pungent odor, which can be quite strong and might not seem like an obvious choice for freshening breath. However, despite its initial strong aroma, garlic actually contains compounds that can help combat bad breath over time. When you chew raw garlic, it releases allicin, a compound that has antibacterial properties. These properties can help kill the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. While the immediate effect might not be pleasant due to the strong odor of garlic, over time, it can lead to fresher breath as it helps eliminate the underlying causes of bad breath. Usage: create a refreshing mouthwash by steeping ginger and garlic in warm water with a dash of peppermint oil and sea salt. Swish this antibacterial solution around your mouth for a revitalizing cleanse that leaves your breath minty fresh and your gums healthy. And lastly, wonder number 14, culinary versatility. Beyond their remarkable health benefits, ginger and garlic are prized for their unique flavors and ability to elevate a wide range of dishes. From savory soups to aromatic stir-fries, the culinary magic knows no bounds. Usage: experiment with incorporating ginger and garlic into diverse cuisines, from Asian-inspired stir-fries and curries to Mediterranean-style marinades and dips. Embrace their bold flavors and aromatic nuances to create culinary masterpieces that delight the senses and nourish the body. Conclusion. And there you have it, dear viewers, the 14 hidden wonders of ginger and garlic unveiled before your very eyes. From boosting immunity to enhancing skin health, these humble ingredients offer a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be explored. So, why not embrace their culinary and medicinal prowess and embark on a journey of wellness and flavor? Thank you for joining us on this enlightening odyssey. May the knowledge gained today inspire you to incorporate the remarkable gifts of ginger and garlic into your daily life, enriching both body and soul. Until we meet again, happy cooking and abundant health. Please don't forget to subscribe.